I'm Saijit and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'd like to discuss about the Mi10T device. Is it worth of buying the smartphone right now or not? So in the Flipkart friends, there's a sale going on and a lot of users that did comment under some of the videos asking that whether to buy the Mi10T right now or not. As you can see friends, you can get the Mi10T for about 27,499 rupees only. So for this kind of price, so let's see, is it worth for the processor, display, battery and charging camera or not? So I'll try to talk about all these details in this entire video, so make sure to watch till end of the video in case if you are one of the subscriber or if you're one of the user who are thinking actually to buy this Mi10T device. So let's get started friends. First thing is that let's talk about the processor. The Mi10T has got the Snapdragon 865 chipset. That's a really good powerful chipset which is also present in the same mobile phones like the OnePlus 8T as well. So same Snapdragon 865 processor, and not only that, you do have the LPDDR5 RAM and the UFS 3.1 storage, as you can see here. So even right now, the phones which are releasing at the moment, Mi11X or any other smartphone, they do have the similar kind of LPDDR RAM type and the similar UFS storage. So in terms of the performance wise, you won't feel any kind of problems friends with the Mi10T device in terms of the performance wise. So Snapdragon 865 and the Snapdragon 870, they both are kind of close to each other, not much difference you can expect. So in terms of the performance, definitely this phone is really worth even till right now as well for this kind of price. That is what I can say friends in terms of the processor. So next, let's talk about the display. In terms of the display, the phone has the IPS LCD panel which is slightly superior than the normal IPS LCD panel. So that is what it is, and it has got 144 Hz. As you can see, I think this is the only phone which is right now available for this kind of price range with the 144 Hz refresh rate. That is the most important thing. So definitely friends, if you consider that 144 Hz, there is another thing which is called the intelligent adaptive sync display. So where the refresh rate will keep on changing depending on the content, how much you are using, what type of content you are using. So in terms of this display, I'm really a very good fan about this phone Mi10T, where it has got 144 Hz, which is really good. So normally we did see the 120 Hz only and 90 Hz mobile phone, but 144 Hz for the 27,000 I think 499, that's a really worth mobile phone to buy in my opinion, definitely. So in the display segment, IPS LCD panel is also too good in this phone friends. You doesn't feel even the difference between the AMOLED and this IPS LCD. That's a lot of good compliment about this phone. So I did see positive feedbacks on this Mi10T as well when you compare with the another smartphones. So overall in the processor segment, it's really good. UFS 3.1 and the LPDDR5 RAM, and the display also 144 Hz, that's also good. And in the battery and the charging, the phone has got the 5000 mAh of battery. So in the 5000 mAh of battery nowadays, we are seeing the phones which are having 4500 mAh only in this kind of price range, but 5000 mAh of battery feels really good in this phone. But only thing is the phone has got the 33 watt fast charging, as you can see friends, 33 watt dual split fast charge which is available here, so which will be able to charge your phone very much faster than the usual time it takes. I think the fast charge will take about close to 50 minutes of time. That's not much difference when you compare with the 40 minutes of time and 30 minutes of time with other phones are having. So overall in the charging segment, I'm really impressed with this particular model. So in the battery backup is really good, and the charging speed is slightly less, 33 watts only, not 50 watts. That's also another thing, but it has got the dual split capability, so that it will be able to charge your phone very much faster than the normal mobile phones it has got. So next thing, let's move to the camera. The camera, the normal Mi10T has got the 64 megapixel camera, but which will be able to record a 8K video recording is exactly possible friends. And this is another phone which is only phone which is available right now with this kind of price range with the 8K video recording. So you may not be shooting the 8K videos right now, maybe in the future you might be able to shoot when you get a chance. So that as a future proof option, it's a really good advantage in this phone in terms of the camera segment. So in the other aspects like the 5G, it's there, dual mode 5G and Wi-Fi 6 capabilities and loudspeaker, dual loudspeaker setup. So there's plenty of other advantages with this phone at the moment. And as I said, it has got the true color dot display, as you can see, which also supports DCI P3 color gamut as well. All these options makes the perfect choice for this kind of price range even right now in the market. So even there's a competition like Mi11X and all those smartphones, but this phone slightly better in terms of the battery backup, and in terms of the camera as well, it's slightly better, and in the refresh rate, that is a mainly 144 Hz refresh rate, and even the dual split charge technology. These are the few things where the Mi10T really shines when you compare with other smartphones in this kind of price range. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure to comment below what are your thoughts about this phone. I'll do in-depth comparison as well with the other smartphones if possible. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.